right there.
I don't mind going out tomorrow.
Hey, how's it going? Clavicular? Nice to meet you. How are you? Clavicular?
Clavicular and Sophie.
Can you tell me who are them?
So,
No, I mean, can you tell me who's with the group?
oh,
Yeah.
yes. That we're gonna have.
You can answer. Just,
Yeah. I'll stand
know
here.
who's there. Yeah.
Her? Him? First? Julio is my security guard. He's my security guard. He's my cameraman. And I think that's all of our guys.
So good?
Yes, that's all of them.
Clavicular.
That's everyone.
Wonderful.
All right, sweet. That worked out.
Yeah, right?
Wonderful.
Yay!
I don't know. Is there like a GA? Like what?
Yeah, I have no idea. Excuse me, sorry.
New club, W though. I hate when they ask like, "Are you famous?" It's like, bro, I don't know.
Yeah, like, what do you consider famous?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm infamous.
He's back. What's up, Sim? What's up, Sim?
Hey!
So what you like, what you mean? Wow. Hey, yo, like a bird. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, motherfucker.
That was nice. We got in there pretty easy.
Hey, yo, what you mean?
I got all fired up, but it's a good club, so fuck it.
Alright, fuck it.
I'm gonna go all in on it. Yeah. You guys watch it? You guys watch it too? Can I have chicken? Can I please have shots of Jameson? Jameson. Yeah. 6 more shots of Jameson.
Alright, fuck it. Fuck it.
We'll go with it. At least they play America.
I love you. Wait, when I saw you.
Oh, yeah, after our to the camera, guys.
So cool.
Tight? What's up, then?
I'm already sweating. It's the best. They have the same. Alright, let's do it.
Where'd you go? Stick around, I don't care.
Wait, is he brought a fan? Yeah.
Talk to him.
He said, like, send Max this next day. He was like, don't worry, we'll make it. Okay, you want it? Oh, yeah. Hi, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Is that okay?
The Wi-Fi is really bad down here, but we'll see if we can fix it.
I don't know, the Wi-Fi is bad for me.
Good, how are you? You have the network for the private one? You have the network for the private one?
Not tomorrow, but the next day.
Direct. You need the private Wi-Fi from the direct.
What? Yeah, tomorrow, and then I leave 8 a.m. the next day. In and out. In and out, yes. In and out. That's how you gotta do it.
Julia.
Was that other one for Julia?
You don't have to drink it right now. I already made it. I mean, regardless, we have a. Yeah, I don't know if I want another shot. Yeah, yeah. We can face him out.
What?
We can face him out. You don't have to drink that. I might just give it to Rob. You could give that.
I already gave it to him.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I only have one. Here.
Sorry, I could not hear.
No, I'm saying I don't want to have two right away.
Sorry, it's literally so loud in here.
Alright, well, Brock, just figure it out and come find us.
Everybody say girls. I'll get my booty go. Say
I didn't buy a table, I said fuck it.
Hey, waka, 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 waka. Say, let go, jeans.
Nobody DJ.
Julia, the section that she's saying in, he knows the Wi-Fi password.
Oh, amazing. Yeah, wait. Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Oh, amazing. Thank you. I'm the selfie. I'm gonna go over there. Maybe we go up by the DJ.
Oh shit. Don't bang. Oh wow.
Stand right there. Yeah, fuck it. Let's make this our area. It's nice if you have security guards. You can kind of just say, hey, I'm going here. Usually, you wouldn't want to stream to the public because it's a little too loud. No. It's fine. We have other cameras too. It's like basically an American.
Man in a top track, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't say that way. The man them celebrate me, the trap still running on Christmas Day. Somebody knows how to
Yeah, I just got come here for the music. I don't really give a fuck about the show.
These females planning on doing me.
Came and see him.
The children post a location after vacation.
I know, bro.
I'm not in a mood, come and flight they're late. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA. I'm not talking a landing strip, one in my bang on my DJ play. Vice man took in my intro, a lot these times he don't even play. Vice man wearing the Jesus beat. How did she squeezing them jeans? Big behind up the TS place. Take time with the GB, Jimmy don't beat nobody like GB. Woke up on the wrong side of bed, so he's gonna get sucked if I don't come please say Jim. I love my love, but I won't need him straight up. To look like he ain't already, I don't need no head song. We don't need ID, no pop 17 in the club, ain't scrolling TikTok. Extra soul and flick on which one, who do you want? One matter of time till I get them all TikTok.
And for the backpack. No, it's for a backpack.
Go button and zip. It's all kicking off soon. Stay well.
Yeah, they're just figuring out the Wi-Fi. I don't fucking know.
None of my friends.
Yeah, this is like Miami club kind of strange. Motherfuckers all just like stand there, bro. It's like I'm trying to dance. Alright, I'll take off the wrap. I just do it because my people get dilated. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, good. I got a camera right here.
Yeah, sure, maybe. We'll be around. We'll be around. Where you want to go?
She's shaking like jelly. She love it. She's shaking next to the deli. With my bitch getting ready.
You like ice?
Yeah, it's alright.
Music's good. Hopefully you don't have epilepsy in here. Hopefully you don't have epilepsy.
Make that Gucci rain. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on the knees. Hands on the knees. Hands on the knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for what? Yeah, make that Gucci breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on the knees. Okay, hands on the knees. Yeah, put your hands on the knees. Oh, wow. I still got some love deep inside of me.
I ain't gonna lie, this place is a piece of shit. I hate it.
You can leave if you want.
Yeah, I do. It's kind of if you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
Let's leave. It sucks.
Rich baby daddy gang. I'm with red like I'm at a Cincinnati gang. Little bitch tell the gang, but she tell the name. Real bitch got me down for the name. Heard this money on my head. Where
do you go? We go this way.
Oh, shit.
They got a table back there. Can you show us where it is?
No, we gotta go. Where do we live? How do we leave?
One, two.
Alright, stay by here. Exit. Wherever. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Exit. The exit. How do we leave? Exit. How do we leave? Oh, my bad. be lit off stream though. If I wasn't streaming, bro, yeah,
Yeah, that shit was loud as fuck.
I would definitely like that. But